Our congressional correspondent Rachel Scott with more on how the state of the play of control of the state, of the Senate, and the House is in play. But let's start in the Senate.
Talk about a nail biter, Robin, because control of the Senate is now going to hinge on 3 races that are just simply too close to call. So let's start in Georgia, where you just heard from Steve Osunsami, a dead heat between the Democratic incumbent, Senator Raphael Warnock, and the Republican Herschel Walker, which is why this is headed to a runoff. Democrats want to win in this state, but they may not have to in order to take control of the Senate. They'd have to win in Nevada and Arizona, though, where we still see election officials counting some of the ballots there. You heard from Whit Johnson. You do have the Democratic incumbent Mark Kelly with a slight lead on the Republican Blake Masters with 76% of the vote expected in. Let's take a look at where things stand in Nevada, a very tight race between the Democratic incumbent Catherine Cortez Masto and the Republican Adam Laxalt. But look, I'll say it again. If Democrats are able to win in Arizona and Nevada, they don't need to necessarily win in Georgia. But if they lose in either one of those, it's all going to come down to that runoff.
To Georgia again, as we saw a couple of years ago. So how's it stand in the House?
Yeah, let's take a look at the House. This is the House map of where things stand right now. These are the races that are still yet to be projected. So still about 27 races at this point that are simply too close to call. 197 seats currently held by Democrats, 211 currently held by Republicans. The magic number that we're looking for is 218. It's a race for either party to get to 218. Republicans almost there, but not quite yet, Robin.
All right, Rachel, as always, appreciate it. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.